Close on the heels of introducing a transgender as a new anchor, city-headquartered Tamil channel Lotus News today presented a visually challenged boy as a newsreader, claiming it was the first in the world. 11-year-old Sriramojam, born blind at birth, read the special news live with the help of Braille for 22 minutes, while his anxious teary-eyed parents watched. The news he read included the follow-up of the April earthquake and the Mahida Rajapaksa trial. Channel chairman, GKS Silvakumar told that the main purpose of introducing the visually handicapped boy was to promote and create awareness on eye donation among the public, so that such talented people get their vision back and achieve their goals. At present he has been tasked with reading special weekly, and after some time, Sriramojam would become a permanent daily news reader, he said. Sriramojam said being blind, he wanted to achieve something in life and chose the TV medium, so that many people could see him reading the news. A 5th standard student of government school at Uliyampalayam on the outskirts of the city, Sriramojam, hailing from Palay, said he went through these news items 6 times before going live. I was scared in the first 2 minutes, but then it was business and I read it fluently, he said. Asked what his ambition was, he said he wants to become a collector.